Now, I now want you to label the bodice block, sleeve block that I sent you. So your pattern should be like this. We need to label it correctly. And I want you to understand the features of the pattern. First of all, this is called the sleeve head. This is called the sleeve crown, this section here. Now, you will have, just got to get a notch missing there. You have two notches to indicate the back of the sleeve. This one notch here will match up with the shoulder seam whenever you're sewing the sleeve into the armhole, and there's always one notch on the front. Now, if you find a sleeve pattern and there's not any notches in it, this is how you will always know the back and the front. Fold the two seams over, and the back and the front of the sleeve will be more hollow than the back. The back is always flatter and the front is always more hollow. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to actually take your cardboard block that I've sent you, and I want you to fold this edge of the pattern into the centre line, and the same on the other side, so that the two lines come in together like that. Then I want you to take and straighten it all out again, and I want you to draw lines. My pattern's all very curly, so I'm using my little weights again. So I want you to draw lines, and then in a minute we're going to label these lines. So from the dart, can you see? You should have a line going up like that, which goes up to the two notches here at the back and here. Now we're going to give all these lines in this pattern a name. Let's start off with the horizontal lines. Here we've got what's known as the bicep line. Here the elbow line. I think I probably have marked that on your pattern already. Now that is known, this line that runs through the middle of the sleeve is known as the top arm line. Okay. The line that's at the front of the sleeve is called the forearm line. And the line that you just folded at the back of the sleeve is called the hind arm line. Okay. So, what I also like to do on my block is just mark what is the back of the sleeve head and what is the front. Right, so what I want you to do now is, it's all very curly now, my pattern. What I want you to do now is to label your full scale pattern, and I want you to label your quarter scale pattern.